Welcome once again to Dave's Cooking Show, airing every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. And what we have for you today is a penne vodka with a creamy slut sauce. As you can see, got our cast iron pan going over about medium heat. And if I would hurry the hell up, yes, there we go. You want to start this dish off with 3 tablespoons of butter, and you want to melt that good. And now that the butter's melted, kill the heat to about medium-low, just lower it a little bit, and you want to add approximately about a half an onion that's been chopped up. And you want to cook this till it's translucent. It'll be about 3 to 4 minutes, maybe a little bit less, maybe a little bit more, depending on where you live. But you want to cook this till it's basically translucent. Okay. About that 3 to 5 minutes has passed. You can see the onions are done. Now it's time to add a half a cup of vodka. And don't worry if you have little ones or people that don't drink. What's happening right now is all of the alcohol cooking out. Seriously. Alcohol cooks out at like 130, 120. That's why hot alcoholic beverages are kind of tricky. Then you want to add 15 ounces of crushed tomatoes, or a cup and a half. Approximately 1 cup of heavy cream. About a half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese. And give that a stir. And last but not least, about a teaspoon of red pepper flakes or more if you want it a little spicier. But a teaspoon of red pepper flakes and salt and pepper to taste. And then you want to give this about 10 minutes or so to simmer on that medium-low that we were talking about. By the way, you should be having a pot of water that's boiling and salted, and get your pasta in a couple of minutes. Okay, and as you can see, the sauce is reduced nicely, taking on a nice color. And now it's time to add 12 ounces of penne. You can really use whatever pasta shape you want, but I just like penne for this. And then it's time to give this a stir and make sure all the noodles are coated. Okie dokie. Now it's time to serve this up. Want to grab yourself a bowl, and you just want to spoon it in. By the way, this recipe is in fact vegetarian, not vegan, because fuck vegans, I can't cook for them. I always forget something, but it is vegetarian. And then you just want to douse some freshly ground black pepper on the top of it, and that's it. Penne vodka with a creamy slut sauce. Done.